Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2023 Renault Traffic. This is the long wheelbase version, 5-door medium van, coming to you in a lovely silver. This has just under 13,500 miles upon the clock, and it comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice assist, hands-free cooling, Bluetooth, parking sensors, cruise control, air conditioning, a 6-speed manual transmission, 3 cloth-lined seats as well. And if I do just show you the load area in the back, you can see that it is once a ply line. It does have cargo rings to tie down any load you may want to carry, as well as interior lighting. And if I do just come around to the back as well, I can show you that we do have a pristine, clean and undented bulkhead with no scratches in it, suggesting the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now, if you would like to find out more about this van in particular, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk, type in the reg just there, or any other vans as well for that matter. Or why not come down to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, where you can view this van and many other similar ones as well. Thank you very much. Hopefully see you here soon.